Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 7 Sapphire Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect application and your phone to send the notifications to your watch. So let's find the Garmin Connect application icon on your phone. Once you find it, press and hold on it, then tap on App Info. And here tap on permissions. And for the notifications to work, you will need to allow a couple of permissions. You will need to allow SMS, phone, contacts, call logs, and calendar. To allow them, simply tap on the permission and then tap on allow. And once you tap on allow, it will appear on the allowed list right here. And once you're done with the permissions, you can close this page or the window. Then you can open the settings on your phone. And in settings, we need to find the notification access. On my phone, it's in the notifications, and we have the notification access here. On different phones, it might be located in different locations. The easiest way to find it is to tap right here and type in notification access. And it should direct you to it. And once you find the notification access, you can tap on it. And here you have list of allowed and not allowed. You need to make sure that the Garmin Connect is on the allowed list. To do it, simply tap on the app. And if it's disabled, enable the switch next to allow notification access. Then tap on the pop-up on allow. And once you allow it, the switch turns on. You will see the Garmin Connect on the allowed list. And once it is on the allowed list, you can close the settings, open the Garmin Connect application. Here tap on more, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, and select your Fenix 7 Sapphire Solar. Here scroll down and tap on notifications and alerts, then tap on smart notifications. And in the notifications menu, we can customize some of our settings for the notifications. We can turn the notifications on or off as the whole thing. We can turn them on or off for the general use and during activity. Basically, general use is when you're using your watch normally, and during activity is when you're tracking activity on your watch, like cycling, running, and stuff like that. So tap on general use, and here you can customize it a little bit further. You can turn the notifications off or on for the general use. You can also customize specific types of notifications. For example, calls, you can turn off or on the notifications for calls. You can turn on or off the sound for them and the vibration. And you can do the same for the texts and apps. Okay. You can also tap on privacy, and here you can select press start or wrist gesture. Basically, this option allows you to manage or keep some privacy when you're receiving the notifications. Basically, when you receive the notification, the content of the notification won't be displayed until you press start or perform the wrist gesture. And the timeout option allows you to change how long the notification will stay on the screen after you receive it. And you have 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 3 minutes. Give me a second. I'm just gonna wipe this off. Okay. And once you're done with the general use, you can tap on during activity and you get the same. Basically, you can turn off or on the notifications. You can customize it for specific types of notifications, and you can also change the timeout option. Okay. And once you're done with the settings, you can close the app. And at this point, you should be able to receive them on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And as you can see, we got it on our phone and also on our watch. If you miss the notifications on your watch, you can always press the up or down button on the current watch face, the home screen, to scroll through the list of glances, and once you find the notification glance, you can press the start button to enter, and here we have the notifications. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.